Now, good day. Please like the video and then share. Just waste a little time and then to like the video. Please, we beg. Yes. Thank you very much for liking the video. Please tap on the subscribe button. You are very good. Thank you. Now, show from the first principle that the derivative of a constant is 0. Now, at this point, I'm going to talk about when we are deriving a constant. You know, a constant is just a number without a variable. So 2 is a constant, 4 is a constant. So when y is equal to 2, or let's say y, which is equal to f of x, is equal to 2, or a constant, and we are differentiating, this is going to be the answer. Now, we need this one in our next video. Yes, we need this variable. So let's see how it works. Let's see. Now, because this one is a constant, I can assume that the constant is 2 or 3 or 4. I'm going to use a variable to represent the constant. Yes. So let's say solution. Now let k be the constant. If k is a constant, then it means that f of x is equal to k. I can say y is equal to f of s is equal to k, or I can say y is equal to k. I can say f of s is equal to k. You understand? Yes. But when f of s is equal to k, it means that f of s is the same as kx exponent 0. You see, k is a constant, x is a variable. So this one means k exponent x, kx exponent 0. Now, why? Why? Because if you have s exponent 0 the same as 1, so 1 times k is the same as k. Any constant has a variable, just that the variable is starting the exponent of 0. Yes, keep that one in mind. Now, I'm going to look for how we can differentiate this one. Now, from the first principle, you know that we need to find f of x plus h, right? Now, so this one means that this one is the same as k, because this one is 1, which is the same as k. Now, so from the first principle, f of x is equal to s plus h, right? So let's put s plus h here. So we're going to get k, the x is now x plus h, so exponent 0. And you have to know that any number exponent 0 is 1. So here will be k times 1, which is the same as what? K. Are you following? Now, from the first principle, either divide the x or f prime of x is equal to what? Lim f prime of x is equal to lim of f of x plus h minus f of x all over h, where the h is approaching 0. Now we are still finding f of x. Now what is going to happen here? Lim of h approaching 0. Now the top one is f of s plus h minus f of s. F of s plus h is k. So this one is k. Minus f of s. The f of s is also what? We are getting k. All divided by h. Now, so what is going to happen here? So lim of h approaching 0. What is k minus k? K minus k is 0. So 0 over h. 0 over h. Now let me continue from here. I hope you are following so much more. So we have the derivative is equal to, now 0 over h is still 0. So I have lim of h approaching 0. 0 over h is still 0. Now what's the limit of a constant? You see, 0 is also a number, and a number is a constant. When you go to limit, we said that usually this here I can't do direct substitution because I need to simplify this one. The moment I do direct substitution, everything will be 0 over 0, which is only fine. Yes. So we know that 0 over any number is still 0. So you're going to get 0. Limit of a constant is still the constant itself. So this one means that f of x is equal to 0. Therefore, the derivative of any constant is 0. Don't forget, because you're going to deal with derivative of sum of numbers or sum of a function that contains sum of numbers or subtraction of numbers, and you have to know that anytime you see a constant and you are differentiating, it's supposed to give you what? 0. Don't forget. See you in the next video.